right now we're looking at the football stadium, and I'm standing on the track, and they are pouring the footing drainage system right here. And there is the home seats, stadium seats. And we have the guest visitor team stadium seats. And we were told this morning in our construction meeting that we will have practice fields before school opens, so all of our teams can practice and get ready for the fall sports. Okay, we're leaving the stadium now, and I'm with John, and we're working our way toward the softball and baseball fields. Can you talk to us about the progress with that?
Well, right now we're finishing up a lot of the underground work. So for instance, right here you can see the electrician is finishing the electrical, and that's all in preparation to finish the concrete underneath these bleachers. And what we'll do for this summer until we hit about September 1st is we're going to do all of the concrete in the play fields, and that will allow us to start sprinklers, which we've already started, but will allow us to do all the irrigation, and then we'll start sod around 1st of September. And what that will do is that will give us a full year of growth on all the play fields, so that it's ready for occupancy in the 1st of June. So all of your camps, your sports camps, can be held here. People can start using
marching band and those kinds of things.
Yeah, they can start using the facilities as soon as they end school with their old school and they come here to the new school. They'll be able to start with all their summer activities.
All right, now we are going west. The stadium is right behind us, and we're working towards the auxiliary gyms.
We actually are standing in the auxiliary gyms right now, and we haven't done those footings and foundations yet. We're working on this area over here. So these are the main locker rooms on both sides. You see the girls over there and the boys over here. There's a hallway between there that we haven't poured, and that's how you get from the dance room area, and then we'll bring you over here into the auxiliary gyms. So we'll be pouring all of that in the next week or so.
Underneath this is the wrestling and weight room. That's underneath this, and it's pretty well ready to go.
Well,
infrastructure.
It now has a roof.
Okay.
Yep.
Team Lock. Not sure we'll name it
Now
that.
we are in the E Hall of Westlake in the sports area, and look below. I'm not going to get too close. So John, what are we looking at now?
You can actually see right now we're setting the steel stairs. If you want to walk down there, I can show you. But that is one of the two sets of stairs. One goes here, and one goes down there, and that's how we get down to the basement.
Oh, okay, nice. Oh, and do you see that a lot? Look at that. You see them flying around here a lot? Because you got that airport right over there. That's kind of fun.
Look, the main gym's coming along.
Oh wow, you can see the track.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, all that's poured.
When was that poured?
Oh, over the last 2 weeks. Various pours.
How much cement do you think you're going through in the last little while?
Oh, quite a bit. At the end, we'll have a total for you. So we'll give you a total of square root yardage. So just in this area, you can see where we started the kitchen area. This is the mechanical rooms, the boiler room, and there's an electrical room over there. But there where they're putting dirt, that is actually all of the kitchen area. And beyond where that truck sits is the cafeteria.
Pretty impressive with those windows up now, isn't it?
Just curious, why?
Okay, we are in the gym area, and that big hole, and I don't dare get too close, is where the elevator will be. So that's the elevator shaft. Those are the stairs. And that's the auxiliary gym wall. The locker room's right behind it that we just crossed over. Here is our indoor track space and gym. So that was poured a couple weeks ago.
That's got to be a little bigger than Westlake's.
Look down. I'm scared. No, because I think the stadium seating takes up a bunch of room, doesn't it?
Oh, it does, but I'm thinking they added a few feet to let layups happen better.
What are those support pole things for? Is that for the stadium seating?
No, that's what that allows us to do is backfill against the wall structurally without compromising it from an engineering standpoint. It supports the wall so that we can backfill. We have to do.
They're temporary, aren't they?
They are. Yeah.
Kitchen area, and look at all the plumbing. They're getting prepared to put the floor in. And you can see that cool little remote control compactor. Okay, we are above the commons area. Get a great view into the auditorium.
That's cool.
CTE, counseling, admin office, the gym, the track, and the auxiliary gym
You know,
out
it's
there.
a huge project, isn't it?
There's our D hall. Looks like they're putting in all the ductwork. Long hall. Anything you want to point out to me, John?
You'll see that in a lot of those classrooms we started drywall.
Oh, I'm excited.
We do it over here.
A lot of pipe work going in. A lot of people working inside.
Yeah, it is. At junior high, I'll tell you.
This will be the art room. And down there they have storage space and the kiln room. This will be for the ceramics class. And you come out of the art room down the hall and you can already see where they have the display cases, where that will be set up. And these are really looking good. Let's go and look in this room. See where they're hanging sheetrock right now. Some nice sized classrooms. This is the film media classroom. They've added extra data and storage.